क'क्राझारनि ब्रह्म बाबा टेक्न' फरायसालिया फोरोंगिरि सान फालिदों। दिनै हादोरनाङैनो सोलोंथायारि सानसुमै थुनलाइगिरि भारतनि नैथि हादरगिरि डक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णननि गोथार जोनोम सान 5 सेप्तेम्बर फोरोंगिरि सानजों लोब्बा लाखिनानै क'क्राझारनि ब्रह्म बाबा टेक्न' फरायसालियावबो मेहेर गोनाङै फालियो। क'क्राझार जिल्लानि उफ्रा जिल्ला बेंगिरि रिमा कृष्ण हालय, ब्रह्म बाबा टेक्न' फरायसालिनि गाहाय सामलायगिरि निता बसुमतारी, गोरायुं नीलाक्षी दैमारी आरो गासै फोरोंगिरिफोरजों लोगोसे फरायसा फरायसुलिफोरा बाहागो लानाय दिनैनि बे हाबाफारियाव फुंबिलि समाव डक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णननि सावगारियाव बिबारजों मान बावनाय आरो साफ्रोम फोरोंगिरिफोरखौ मान बावनाय आरो फरायसाफोरनो बोर होनाय जायो। बे हाबाफारिनि गेजेरजों फरायसालिनि गाहाय सामलायगिरि निता बसुमतारी, गोरायुं आरो फोरोंगिरिफोरा खौरांगिरिनि सिगाङाव ओरैबायदि फोरमायो।
First of all, I would like to wish all the viewers and all the teachers of the world a happy Teachers' Day, because this day is very auspicious for us and very important day, because today is the day where the teachers are being honored, are being respected, and given the আজি সর্বপল্লী রাধাকৃষ্ণজির আজি জন্মদিন, আজি আমি টিচার্স ডে হিসাবে আমি সেলিব্রেট কৰোঁ। And today's day is very important for the teachers, because teachers are the pillars of the nation. So teachers are the nation builder, because without teachers there is no knowledge, and there is only one thing which we cannot perish, that is the knowledge, and that is being imparted by the teachers of anywhere, teachers of all kind. Maybe it is mother, maybe it is a school teacher, all the gurus. So today's day is especially for the teachers, because teachers contributes a lot for a child to shape up their life and to make a nation a stronger nation with true vision. So, for to honor our teachers, we have celebrated. We have done all the decorations. These all decorations which you are seeing at the back, that is all been done by our students. They have worked day and night to make this day special, because teachers are special for them. Because whatever they have learned today, whatever they are today, that's because of only teachers. So today's day is very special and important, and I hope with this today's celebration there would be no gap between teachers and students. There would be a great bonding among the teachers and students, which is very important for a healthy learning and impactful learning, and where we can get the best outcome. So that is our belief.
চবতকৈ ফাৰ্ষ্টতে মই হেপী টিচাৰ্ছ ডে সকলোবোৰ টিচাৰ্ছক, বিকজ টিচাৰ্ছসকলে একচুৱেলি ষ্টুডেণ্টছবিলাকৰ লাইফ শ্বেপ কৰাত বহুত হেল্প কৰে। চ' কেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ এটা ফিউচাৰ গঢ়িবৰ কাৰণে বিচাৰিছে এজন বাচ্ছাই, ডিপেণ্ড কৰে যে টিচাৰজন কেনেকুৱা হয়, কি ধৰণে এটা শ্বেপ এটা দিছে। চ' সেইটোৱেই ক'ম। আৰু লগতে মই আজি টেক্ন' ব্ৰহ্ম স্কুলত আহিছোঁ, খুবেই ভাল লাগিছে, বহুত ধুনীয়া এৰেঞ্জমেণ্ট কৰিছে, আৰু টিচাৰ্ছসকলক হেপী টিচাৰ্ছ ডে।
And this club is
First of all, a very happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers out there who is serving to the society, building, making a new future by teaching the young generations. We are also a teacher of Brahma Baba Techno School, and we have always been trying to be unique as compared to the other institutions, and we definitely want to be a role model in the education sector. And to be honest, the children have done so much for us. So all these get-ups are the themes that we have been given. Various themes has been given to all the teachers. So we are also trying our level best to make our children happy. And yes, definitely it is Teachers' Day, so definitely we are going to have a lot of fun. And that's it. Thank you. Have a good day.
Ma'am, Rima Trish.
So obviously I'm very happy and
I would like
excited
to request
since
respected
our
director
children
ma'am to
have done
felicitate our
such a
chief guest.
amazing job right now, because
Our chief
we
guest,
know that they have been
ma'am
working for like a month.
Rima Trishna
Like
Halloween.
even they will take the
Our
classes,
chief
there will be
guest,
prep classes,
she
there will
is
like
young,
remedial classes, but still they
intelligent,
will work and
talented,
they will
and
not even let
beautiful,
us
but
enter
yet
or know
tough
about
and
their
strong.
performance.
She is not only
So it is
serving the
very
society
proud feeling as
as
a teacher
assistant
to see our
commissioner, but
children
also helps the young girls
who
to learn
their teamwork,
self-defense.
their
We, the
hard
students of
works,
Brahma Baba
and
Techno School, are
I
looking
feel a very
forward to
proud
seek
teacher
training from
here,
respected Rima
and I'm
ma'am
very
in our
thankful
school
to
very
director
soon.
ma'am and
She is
principal ma'am
NCC cadet,
and all
also
my
a
lovely
professional
students.
horse
Thank you.
rider,